Microsoft List. Oh my gosh. It
Hmm.
has my last trial notebook I created in an hour. Now don't get me wrong, I didn't have all those copies and hole punched and put in the notebooks within an hour, but we had the sort of index and everything that we were including in that trial notebook done. If you're tracking document production and evidence and things like that throughout the life cycle of the case using Microsoft List, your exhibit list, done. Your witness list, done. I mean, I think the shift that occurred with me in connecting SharePoint OneDrive and Microsoft Lists and being able to automate the indexing process was incredible, because old school, we had these red wells with these folders and all the pleadings and the tabs, and we wrote the index out, and that's how we found things. And that's how we pulled things together for motions and whatnot.
Right, right.
But when you're using Microsoft Lists, that tool has so many more usefulness than just indexing the data. It can serve as a trigger for Power Automate, rule-based calendaring. If you put something in a cell, it could trigger a calendar event. It could trigger a planner task. It could trigger a document being created. Document automation is huge right now. If you have
Hmm.
the information existing in a Microsoft list and you have the Word document existing somewhere in your tenant, like in your team communication site, you can use Power Automate to bring those things together and expedite the document creation process. So, Arrow 365, that case management automated solution, wasn't possible until Microsoft Lists came about. So, I
Hmm.
mean, I think if there's one tool I can recommend for people in catastrophic injuries, personal injury, workers' comp, IP, civil litigation, use Microsoft Lists. It's one of the best tools. I do have a mini course on that. Um, I don't think that I have that available to post in the chat right away, but I do have a Microsoft List mini course. And that course also comes with every single index that I use to track all the information in my cases: pleadings, liens, damages, document production, depositions, records, you name it, it's in there.